I love the whole filmmaking process, from where an idea gets developed into a story, the whole pre-production, getting talents up to where everything is planned and you're shooting during the day. My name is Fivaz Buys and I am the sound guy. That's one of the jobs that I enjoy because you're kind of like in the background a little bit. I'm also doing some editing myself, and yeah, that's for me is just a long, tedious job. For me, sound is the most relaxed job on the film set, but it's something that is that needs to be done, and that actually makes the film in the end a success or not. So yeah, this is my gear, and so I just purchased the wireless mics of the blimp or the zeppelin, what they call it, to cut out some of the wind noise, and then the boom pole also from Rode. And, I also have the stereo mic. I really like and enjoy the ease of use and how easy it is to set it up, and I've been using it the whole day on one set of batteries, and yeah, it's just keep on working, so that's good. This is my hobby, so this is definitely something that I enjoy, and it would be great to use all the equipment that I'm buying so vigorously with all my savings.